Gicigo gia gatagati ga bururi gwata ngwataniro ya kiuteti ya GEMA yuikaine ni kwaga murugamo mwe uteti-ini wa gibururi na guteithiriria gutindika ajenda ya andu a gitaru giki undu uria Anjumbe mirongo itandatu na mugwanja a bunge ya bururi na Senate magomanite mwena wa Naivasha mucemanio-ini wa thiku igiri kugeria gucenjia.
We are here to look at what we can do for the people of Mount Kenya. We are going to ensure that the interests of Mount Kenya are catered for, whether it's during the debate for constitutional review process, whether we are discussing about the census. Those are the issues that we must champion and come up with a common position.
Ajenda ya mucemanio ucio ikirikana ati ni guthugunda murugamo mwe wa gitaru gia gatagati makiria iguru ria referendum. Senator mekuiyukia ati haha niwe guthiminda riendekithia ria kuhe President Uhuru Kenyatta miaka ingi 5 ya wathani.
But we shall listen to all suggestions. Of course, we know President Uhuru Kenyatta is our person. We do not have any other kingpin from our region. So it is true that we must sit down and discuss what shall we do after he is done with his term.
Kama mnataka kubadili katiba ati mtafute njia ya kusimamisha William Ruto, please get the news that William Ruto is unstoppable because of the faith he has in God and the love and the vision he has for the country of Kenya.
Sisi tunakuamini. Wewe ndio dereva yetu. Wewe ni uangalie vizuri macho ine, uongeze kama yako saa hii iko na shida, ongeza macho ine, uone mbele kabisa kona zote vile zinaenda. Ndio wewe mwenyewe kona kwa sababu ziko jumba sisi tunakufuata.
No matanyitwo kwaririria mubango wa utari wa andu uria ugatabanio mwaka turorete na itanya ria kwendekithia mbeca iheanagwo kuringana na uingi wa andu undu umwe na kwigucia kwa mibango ya uthii wa na mbere gitaru-ini gia gatagati. Mucemanio-ini uyu niho mubunge wa Mathira Rigathi Gachagua erigiriirwo gutemania na kuhoya hurwo njeki riendekithia-ini riake ria watho ria kugiria tenda ciothe cia thirikari cia thi wa ciringi bilioni 1 iheagwo mundu utari Mukenya. Mucemanio uyu ukite oriri na mihehu atongoria gitaru giki makoretwo makiuga ati President Uhuru Kenyatta ni amatiganiirie na marehoka ati acira mwena wa karati na muthia-ini wa kiumia giki ni agacemania nao mamuhe maumirira ma mucemanio uyu. Ngiributira Inooro TV, njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.